Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your account and adding a roaming bundle if needed. This saves surprises. Once signed into My Optus or the app, buy the Country Pass or Global Daily add-on. Make sure your phone's data roaming toggle is on and automatic network selection is enabled so your handset will attach to partner networks. While here, write down the expected daily cost and any fair use limits so you know when to stop data to avoid extra charges. Once you land, restart your phone to trigger registration with local Optus partners. That usually completes activation. If you don't attach automatically, open network operators and choose a named partner manually. This forces the connection. Make sure your APN reads Yes Internet and that mobile data is enabled. This ensures apps and billing recognize roaming usage. While doing this, keep an eye on your Optus app notifications. They'll confirm the roaming add-on is active and show remaining days or usage. To finish, confirm the roaming item is active in the app and watch daily charges so you don't exceed your plan. When you're done using data, switch data roaming off to stop further billing. Use Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi calling to save money. If service drops or the add-on didn't apply, toggle airplane mode, restart the phone, and retry network selection. If that fails, contact Optus support for provisioning. One quick tip: try a manual network pick or.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.